In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your JazzCash Paypak card, credit card, and debit card to your Apple iCloud account. This process is straightforward and will guide you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. To get started, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. You can typically find this app on your home screen. It resembles a grey gear and is your main hub for personalizing and adjusting your iPhone's settings. Once you're there, you'll see various options, but the one you want is right at the top, your name. By tapping on your name, you'll open a section dedicated to your Apple ID, iCloud, media, and purchases. Next, you'll want to select payment and shipping. This option allows you to manage where your cards are stored and used within your Apple ecosystem. Monitoring and adjusting these settings is important for keeping your payment methods up to date, especially if you frequently make transactions through Apple services. Now, for security reasons, Apple requires authentication to access these settings fully. Depending on your device and the security preference you've set, you'll need to authenticate using either Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step ensures that your payment details are protected and that only you can access them. Once authenticated, look for the Add Payment Method button. Tapping this button will bring up a new screen where you can enter the details for your JazzCash Paypak card, credit card, or debit card. You'll need to have these card details handy because this information is critical for setting up your payment method correctly. Make sure to input the card number, expiration date, and CVV accurately. Double checking these details can save you from issues later on, such as transactions not going through properly. After you've entered all the required details, the final step is to tap Done. This confirms that you wish to add the new payment method to your account. Once confirmed, you'll see your new card listed under your payment methods. Adding this to your iCloud means that next time you make an Apple purchase, you can conveniently and securely use the card you just added. Following these steps not only allows you to add a new payment method to your account, but also keeps your Apple ID updated to reflect your current financial tools. This feature can be especially useful if you're managing multiple payment methods and want to consolidate them in one cohesive ecosystem. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you can add your JazzCash Paypak credit card or debit card directly to Apple iCloud, enhancing your purchasing options on all Apple services. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.